That is our ship. That is the Titanic. I still cannot believe I am actually standing here right now. We are boarding now. There are hundreds of us. I had no idea how enormous this thing truly is. This is my cabin. It is small, yes, but it is mine for the whole crossing. I even have a bunk. Look at the water out there. We are actually moving. Southampton is already gone. We are at sea. This is the third class deck. The wind is brutal up here, but the view goes on forever. I love it. There are people here from Ireland, Poland, Italy, Sweden. Everyone is going to America. Everyone has the same dream. I watched England disappear into the fog an hour ago. That is the last I will ever see of Europe. They just rang for dinner. First meal on the Titanic. I am starving and very curious what third class gets to eat. They gave us beef stew and warm bread tonight. I have not eaten this well in years, honestly. Someone brought an accordion and now half the ship is dancing. This is the most fun I have had in months. A Polish man just taught me a folk dance I will never remember. My feet hurt and I cannot stop laughing. It is past midnight, day one done. I keep thinking about Mam waving at the dock. Trying not to cry now. You can feel the engines through the whole ship. It is like sleeping inside a giant humming machine all night long. Day two, slept surprisingly well. The rocking actually helped. No land anywhere, just ocean in every direction. I love it. The air up here smells like salt and cold iron. I could stand here all day. Honestly, I think I will. I could eat this all day. Me too, it's hearty. I am losing badly at cards to a Swedish woman named Ingrid, who does not speak a word of English. We are not supposed to go above D deck, but I need to see what first class actually looks like up there. This is unbelievable. Chandeliers, actual carpets, people in evening gowns at noon. We are on the same ship and a different planet. Crew just spotted me. Very politely told me to go back down. I went. Worth every single second though. Writing a letter to Mem, telling her the ship is fine, that I am eating, that she should not worry about me. It got colder today. Really cold. Someone said we are near the lanes where icebergs come down from the north. I have been telling everyone about my cousin Brigid in New York, who says, there are jobs everywhere, money everywhere you look. Look at that sunset. The whole ocean is orange and red right now. I am keeping this memory for the rest of my life. Evening soup and bread again. Simple but good. Ingrid and I have claimed the same table 2 nights running. It is ours. The dancing tonight is even better than yesterday. Someone has a fiddle now. I do not know how this keeps getting better. Day 2 is done. I think I could do this forever, honestly. Ocean, food, music, people. This is a good life. Day 3. Genuinely freezing on deck this morning. Much colder than yesterday. The sky is very clear and very empty. Everyone here talks about New York the same way. Tall buildings, bright lights, streets full of possibility. 2 more days and we are there. I keep trying to imagine what my face will look like when I first see the Statue of Liberty. I think I will cry. April the 14th. 1 more day after today and we dock in New York. I cannot sleep from excitement anymore. Breakfast feels different today. Everyone is talking about arriving tomorrow. The mood is electric. You can feel it in the whole room. It is bitterly cold on deck today. Like a wall of cold hit the ship overnight. I heard crew mention ice nearby. Someone said the captain got iceberg warnings by telegram today. But look at this ship. Nothing is going to stop the Titanic. Taking a nap before dinner. Last full night at sea. Tomorrow evening we will be in New York Harbor. See you soon. Getting ready for the last dinner on board. Feels like a celebration. I actually ironed my dress as best I could manage. Ingrid made a toast. To America, to new lives, to all of us. We all drank and everyone cheered so loud. To America! America! This is the best night of the whole crossing. Everyone dancing, the accordion and fiddle together. Last night at sea. Perfect! It is past 11 at night. I am exhausted. Going to bed now. Last sleep before we reach New York. Good night. Almost asleep. The ship is very quiet now. Just the engines humming below. Tomorrow is the last day. I am so ready. Something just hit us. A massive grinding shudder through the whole ship. Everything shook. I am wide awake. What was that? I went out into the corridor. Everyone is confused. Nobody knows what happened. I can hear something wrong below us. There is water on the floor. It is coming under the door at the end. The ship is taking on water. We need to go. I am going up. Everyone is pushing on the stairs. The water is already at the bottom landing. Keep moving up. They have locked the gate to the upper decks. The crew is right there, and they will not open it. They will not let us through. I made it to the outer deck. The front of the ship is already lower. You can see it tilting forward. This is real. I need to get to the boat deck. The lifeboats are up there. I can hear them. I have to keep climbing. There are lifeboats, but they are already lowering them, almost full, and they are not letting third class through to reach them. Help, please. We need to get off this ship. Hurry to the boats. Oh God, we're sinking. The bow is completely under the water now. The ship is standing on its nose almost. We are running out of time. Ingrid made it into a boat. I saw her. I screamed her name. She looked back at me. That was goodbye. The deck is tilting so badly I can barely stand. People are sliding. I am holding the railing as tight as I can. If anyone finds this, tell my mother I love her. Tell Brigid I was so close. I almost made it. I almost did. I am going to jump before the ship pulls me under. They said you have to jump. I am going to jump now. The water, it is so cold. I cannot breathe. It is like 1,000 knives. I have to find something to hold. I found a piece of wood. Pulling myself up. It is enough to hold my upper body out of the water. There are so many voices in the water. People calling for help. Hundreds of them. All around me in the dark ocean. The ship is gone. It just went under. The sound it made going down. I will hear that sound for the rest of my life. Help! Oh God! Help me! Is anyone there? Please, don't leave me. I cannot feel my hands anymore. My feet either. Just hold on. Just keep holding on. Do not let go. Do not. There is almost no sound now. Just the water and the cold. I am trying to count stars to stay conscious right now. Ma'am, I am thinking about the kitchen at home. The smell of the fire in the morning. The bread on the table. There are lights. Far away, but there are lights. A ship. A ship is coming. I have to keep shouting. Keep shouting. They see me. They are rowing toward me. I can see the boat. I am gonna make it. I am gonna make it. They pulled me out of the water. I am on a ship called the Carpathia. Someone put a blanket around my shoulders. I am looking for Ingrid. I keep asking everyone. Nobody has seen her yet. There are so few of us here. I keep going over it. What if the gate had been open? What if we had been in second class? What if? I found Ingrid. She is alive. She was in one of the first boats. We just held each other and did not speak. I looked at where the Titanic was. There is nothing there now. Just flat grey water, like it never existed at all. We are still going to New York. The Carpathia is taking us there. It is not how I planned it, but I am going. I keep thinking about the people who did not make it. I think I will be thinking about them for the rest of my life. I am going to America. I am going to live. I am going to live for every single person who did not get to. I never thought I'd see land again.